As the sun rose over Sri Lanka one morning in late August, around a dozen fishermen cast their nets on a beach in Mannar, a small island just off the northwest coast of the country, to begin the day's work. But many other fishermen in the community are unable to go to see it all, having been crippled by the country's devastating economic crisis, the worst since independence in 1948. Fuel shortages and runaway inflation mean they are struggling to obtain kerosene oil, which is needed to power the boats that support them. Everything is difficult at the moment. There is no kerosene. There is no food at home, said one fisherman. For months Mannar had no kerosene at all available as the country's foreign exchange reserves dried up and the country could not import crude oil for its refineries. When deliveries resumed a few weeks ago, kerosene prices were nearly 4 times what they were when Sri Lanka began phasing out fuel subsidy.